Our 3D crystal tall rectangles are great for portrait vertical photos. They range in size from medium all the way to presidential. They have gorgeous shiny bezels along the perimeter and come packaged in premium gift boxes. They even have a protective sleeve to keep your purchase in mint condition. Thanks to our dad's software called Cockpit 3D, the images we etch inside the crystal are 60% denser and produce super clear HD results. Here's a crystal made by a competitor, and here's ours in high definition. So real, so awesome. Your 3D crystal is brought to life with bright LED light bases. We offer a rotating base and a premium stationary black wooden illumination stand. The bright light makes the image pop and come to life. Biomagic by Original.